Ba't sa akin ka?
2 teaspoons of baking powder. Hi guys, it's Ronald Victorious here, and today we are going to make donuts.
The nut.
The ingredients are
The ingredients are 4 cups of all-purpose flour
baking powder,
and 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla,
2/3 cup of milk. Only 29 pesos.
1/4 cup of melted butter. You have to melt it.
1 and 1/4 cups of sugar. Vegetable oil for deep frying and desired coating or icing.
Dessert
Now you all
coating.
know the ingredients. Let's start.
Ayun ang desired
Coating.
We need this. Ganito siya kahaba.
Uy! Nagano ako!
To make the batter, in a medium bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Set it aside if you're done. Then in a large mixing bowl, combine the eggs, sugar, and vanilla. Beat it with an electric mixer on medium speed for 3 minutes. Then in a small bowl, combine milk and melted butter. After you're done combining the milk and the melted butter, add the flour mixture and the milk mixture alternately to the egg mixture, beating on low speed after each addition just until combined. After that, cover and chill the dough for 2 to 4 hours. After chilling and covering the dough for 2 to 4 hours, roll the dough and cut it to make it look like a donut.
After you're done, ano ba tawag?
Making donuts with
Yeah.
pretzel, big pretzel
We're
and
going to cook it now.
yeah.
Looks good, oh my god.
We gotta cook it right now.
Yeah.
Pag pumuti na siya, ibig sabihin pabalik.
Oh my god, lumalaki na siya.
And this is the end of the donuts.
Isa na palang ano. Hi. Hey.
You can't see it.
We finished the donut. It was not such a failure. Look at the chocolate, man. Yeah.
So that's it. Our homemade donut. I hope you like it, and I hope you share it with your friends, and I hope you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.
I don't know the ingredients. Teaspoon. Vegetable oil for deep frying.
Tagalog mo nung ako.
Vegetable oil for oh my god, tumutuloy yung oil. Vegetable oil for deep frying and desired coating or icing.
Dessert coating.
Ayun ang desired coating.
Coating.
Now you all know how.
Naku, tumaba. Look at the chocolate, man. Pag-inlove ka sa chocolate.
This is it, guys. Our homemade